Are you aware that the Earth is currently experiencing its sixth mass extinction? Every day, up to 100 species are disappearing completely from the planet, and it is all thanks to human activity. Despite the relatively short span of human civilization, which is only around 200,000 years, humans have demonstrated remarkable intelligence over the past few centuries. However, along with that intelligence comes a terrifying capacity for destruction. Since the first industrial revolution, humanity has been relentlessly damaging the environment and engaging in indiscriminate hunting of wildlife. The consequences of these actions have led to the rapid disappearance of various species. Scientists have issued warnings that the Earth is currently experiencing its sixth mass extinction. In early 2020, a Brazilian scientist recorded a temperature of 20.75 degrees Celsius on Seymour Island in Antarctica, the highest temperature ever recorded on the continent since the existence of humans. It's important to note that Antarctica, in the form of ice and snow, holds nearly 70% of the world's freshwater resources. With the ongoing rise in sea levels, many fragile animals are losing their habitats as a result. According to research, the current rate of melting of the Antarctic ice sheet is nearly 10 times faster than the previous century. The rising sea levels have had devastating impacts on coastal cities and island nations. Many animals have fallen victim to extinction. Over the past few decades, hundreds of thousands of mammal, bird, and reptile species have disappeared from the Earth. Authoritative scientific predictions indicate that over 500 land animal species, including polar bears and Asian elephants, are on the brink of extinction and may completely vanish within the next 20 years. Once a single species goes extinct, it inevitably triggers a chain reaction. This means that when humans drive other species to extinction, we are essentially undermining a part of our own life-sustaining system. The ultimate result is the complete collapse of the Earth's biosphere. As early as 2019, the United Nations issued a warning pointing out that the primary causes of the sixth mass extinction are human overpopulation, excessive exploitation of nature, and ongoing environmental pollution. When we look at the world today, anyone with even the slightest understanding of biology can see that the human population is rapidly becoming imbalanced. 200 years ago, there were less than 1 billion people on Earth. However, today the world's population has skyrocketed to a staggering 7.8 billion and continues to grow rapidly. Since 1970, the human population has more than doubled, while the number of wild animals worldwide has declined by over 50%. Throughout the 4.6 billion year history of the Earth, such a rapid extinction of a vast number of species has only occurred 5 times. In fact, the late Stephen Hawking predicted that if humanity fails to curb the intensifying global warming, we may have to leave the Earth within 100 years or else face the possibility of extinction. Have you ever thought about it? Survival itself is a stroke of luck. It holds true on Earth and equally so in the vast expanse of the universe. However, at some point, humans seem to have developed an illusion, a belief that survival comes without reverence, without any cost. But this time, humanity is truly mistaken. The law of conservation applies without distinction of worth. The tides of change ebb and flow in an eternal cycle. One day, inevitably, we will pay an unbearable price for destroying the lives of others on Earth.